Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. You are watching part 2 of the sub-series C# Graphical Device Interface GDI+. So in this video we will talk about the example which we are going to create in the next coming videos. In the previous video, we learned about the basics of GDI+. So this is the example we are going to create, and whatever you are seeing here is the panel. We use this panel as a canvas, and you can see the panel is in black background color. Then we have a position. This one will tell where the rectangle is. I mean the top left corner of the rectangle. We have 10, 10. That means from X it is 10 and from Y it is 10. So that tells where is the location. Then we specify width and height. So this one is the width and this is a height. So once filling these 4 data, you can click on the draw button here. That will perform the rectangle drawing. So this is the first step in learning the GDI. First we will learn how to draw a rectangle. After learning this, we will move on to GDI object pen. So here we have 2 radio button, and user will select in what color they want to draw the outline. Say for example, if you see here, the user is opted for pink color and the outline here is appearing in pink color. So they can change the color to pale golden, and there are various other color available. That means using these 2 radio buttons, we will know how to set the color of the pen. So whenever you draw something, that will appear on the specified color. Suppose if you are making a line, and that line will appear in selected color. If user selected pale golden, then the line color will be in the presented in the pale golden color. After that, you can specify the width also, width of the pen. So here, let's say this is a pen width 1, and if you have pen width 3, and if you draw a line, the line will appear in somewhat thick. That means the thickness here will be 3 pixel. So the pen will draw a line with a thickness of 3. Similarly, you can select 5. This is just an example. You can set any size, but here we fixed it to pen thickness of 1, 3 and 5. So here if you see, user can specify the position, size of the rectangle. Then they can choose what is the color of the GDI pen object. Then they can decide the size. After that, they will click on the draw button. Right. So this will be the final option, and they can specify other parameter. So they can specify the pen color and pen size, and after that they can click the draw button to draw a outline of a rectangle with a specified size and color. Next, we will move into learning the brush. So that means first you have to enable the brush. Once you enable the brush, here a portion is missing. This portion we will use the solid brush, and we will specify some standard color. Maybe we can specify 3 color so that user can select the solid brush. When advanced brush is not in a checked state, then we will show controls related to the solid brush. then user will pick a specific color. After that they perform the draw. So this time the rectangle size, whatever you specified here, that will get painted with the specified color. After that, if you see here, we have two kind of advanced brushes. One is gradient brush and another one is a hatch brush. Here in gradient brush, we will use from color. That means we will use the same group box from color and to color, and we will specify color 1 and color 2. And say for example, when we paint the surface with the gradient color, the color will linearly interpolated from color 1 to color 2. So when we go to the example in action, that time you will understand this clearly. So the same set of group boxes will be used for hatch brush also. Here you will be seeing the mode. At present you are seeing the hatch brush mode, and once you click here again, the mode will change to gradient brush, and you will not be seeing this hatch brush related control. So when the brush is gradient brush, you will be seeing from color and to color. So the gradient will be applied from color 1 to color 2, and it will be linearly interpolated. That means you will be seeing color 1 here and color 2 here, and in the middle you will be seeing the interpolation between color 1 and color 2. That's for a gradient brush. For hatch brush, you will select forecolor and back color, then the pattern. So here in this screenshot, if you see, we selected a brick pattern, and that's why you are seeing the brick pattern here. And forecolor is yellow. You can see the line is appearing in yellow, and background is green, and you can see the brick color is in green. So that's the background. So the flow will be like this. So first 1, 2, 3, this is for pen. Then for brush, you have to enable the fill pattern. Then this one is optional. Let me keep it as 4A. You can turn on the advanced brush or turn it off. If you uncheck it, the gradient brush and hatch brush will be turned off, and you will be seeing only the solid brush. So this is to choose which brush, and after that you will be picking say for example, if we go for hatch brush, you will be picking forecolor, then back color, then some pattern. After that you will click draw. So to change the brush between gradient and hatch, you can click on this toggle. So this is simply a label, and we will toggle it between hatch and gradient brush, and we will show related control here in this area. And here, once you place a check mark, we will be showing this gradient and hatch this group. And if you uncheck it, we will completely hide it, and we will show the controls here for the solid brush. That's all here about the example. So with this example, you can learn how to draw using GDI plus this section, then how to use pen, and how to use pen with a different color and thickness. Then we will see how to use a solid brush. Then we will see how to use a gradient brush and how to use a pattern or a hatch brush. There is no demo here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.